Welcome. In this video I will show you how to calibrate battery on REALME GT8 Pro. In order to calibrate your battery before checking the battery health status on your phone, the first thing that you're gonna have to do is drain your battery completely. So just use your device until your battery level drops to 0, and after that charge your device's battery to 100% without interruption, which means do not unplug the charging cable from your smartphone during the charging process. And after that, you're gonna have to go to the battery menu in settings and scroll down to battery health, and here you'll be able to check your current maximum capacity after the calibration. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.